How to remove a tempered glass screen protector on the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro. So here at the moment I have a screen protector, and if you want to remove it, what we need is one of this razor blade. Now if you do it correctly, it shouldn't really scratch your screen at all. So what you want to do is at the corner, so choose one of the corner at the bottom, and then we're going to put the razor blade in at an angle, but you want to put it upwards like that, not downwards, because if you push it downwards, you can cause scratches to the screen. So if you push an angle upwards like this, and here it is, and once the screen protector has been lifted, you can then use your finger and gently pull it out. So here we can gently pull out the tempered glass screen protector, and that's it. So this is a tempered glass screen protector on the iPhone 16 series, and that's it. So you can see here, if I have give my phone some good protection, you can see the scratches on the tempered glass right here. So it protects your screen from getting scratches. Here at the underneath, you can see it's still nice and smooth, and at the top there are scratches. So once your screen start to getting too many scratches, you might want to remove it and then replace it with another new tempered glass. Now this is quite a strong tempered glass, so we're gonna test it out where it takes to break this tempered glass. So here I'm going to give it a knock. So it's quite strong. Still it's not breaking. You can see how hard I hit on it. And after really hitting it really hard, then you can see now it starts to crack. So this is quite an extremely strong screen protector for your iPhone. So if you don't have a screen protector, your glass can easily break. So the one that I have at the moment is a Whitestone dome glass AR. And yeah, so if you're thinking to get your iPhone screen with a full strong protections, I recommend you get this dome glass screen protector. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.